Last episode, we made 5 Solana profit, and we're currently sitting at 57 Sol. That's going to be our starting balance for the day right here. So today the market is a bit slow. I'm going to be looking for random different plays that have a high volume and where I can just have a quick 2x, because there's no point in holding for 10x's if the market is shit. All right, check this out. Someone from my tracked wallets just bought this coin. I'm going to buy it quickly as a gamble right here for something about 2.5 Sol. While we hold it, I'm just going to quickly check if they have paid for DEX. They have not paid for the DEX. That's a bad sign. They have done the banner. So it's currently at 56k already. Did we hit raydium on this? This went to raydium pretty much instantly. So I'm just gonna sell it on raydium 100% as I always do. Don't see a reason why not. So I bought it once again, as I already said, because someone from my tracked wallets bought it. Currently we have the auto sell up on raydium set on Pepe Boost right here. We're just gonna wait until they migrate. Okay, and we have sold for 3.9 Sol right here. Well, what do we see here? Just as I turn off the record button, I see Mr. Frog buying in with 8 Sol on this coin right here. Mr. Frog usually buys stuff when either he's just like aping in quick scalps or he does conviction plays. This might be a conviction play, so I'm going to just ape in 3 Sol. We took our profits and we just dumped back in. Let's see where this goes. This gives me some more confidence here. The fact that we currently see my tracked wallets on this, as well as some of my influencer tracked wallets also buying in. That's the only catalyst I have on this. The only thing I don't like about this is that the DEX is still unpaid. Damn, it's dumping. We're down 1.5 Sol. Not sure we should be holding this again. We did catch that pump fund. Right now it's not looking so great though. I'll do another 3 Sol buy on the dip. If it keeps dipping, I'm gonna sell it at 20k. In the meantime, I want to check out their Telegram. Alright, the DEX is still not paid, so I don't have a choice here. I don't see a reason why I should be holding on to this. Alright, I'm gonna just sell it. We ended up having about 1.5 Sol profit here. I have paid the DEX actually here. Not just throw back in my profits. I see those wallets, they're still holding, nothing has changed. I see a bet we could take. Not paid. That's weird. Clocked in. I mean, I like the meme though. 18% to the downside. If we see this coin go below, then I'm going to consider it bearish. Right, so I've just been shilled this fake goo coin right here. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna ape in about 3 to 4 Sol right here. Today's market is really shit. I am going to be selling 100% on raydium. I am down currently about 8% on the position. Yeah, we're gonna sell this right now. So right here, we have no time to waste. This is looking good, so I'm just gonna be aping in 3.5 Sol. And in the meantime, I'm gonna be checking the holders. Right, the DEX is paid. Seems to me like the dev might have multiple wallets here. I'm gonna sell this, and that's it. How's that even possible? Oh, guys, I've been trading with pump priority, and no wonder I didn't catch a profit here. This is too big of a fee. Like, what am I doing here? We only made 0.3 Sol because I just paid 0.2 Sol in fees. So we're gonna move on to the next one because honestly, I don't like the fact that the dev is just being sneaky here. Yeah, we're just gonna ape in quickly on pressure right here. Oh no, I'm gonna get mev'd. I forgot to turn on anti-mev. Yep, instantly mev'd. You see, I'm getting targeted by mev bots. I'm gonna buy in with another 5 Sol with anti-mev because we just got wrecked. Let's see if we can catch some sort of 250, 300k to the upside. We're down 10% because of the mev bot. Oh, bumping to 2, going up a little bit. Right, DEX is paid. Don't want to see it start going below 200k though. This is just that type of a gamble. Ape with a pressure washer. That's the meme here. Would be nice to see if we can catch like a quick break right here. We just caught a loss on the previous one, so I don't want to catch another loss here. If we do, I mean, it is what it is. Especially in these market conditions when there's basically nothing going on and very low volume. I am 100% sure right now that I have a targeted mev bot that's just set on me by multiple people probably. Because each time I do a buy without the mev protection, I instantly get mev'd. Oh no, we might have to sell it because it's starting to break down. Oh, we're down bad. 2.5 Sol down. Put in a low here. If it breaks below this, then we're definitely selling. Top holders seem like they're still holding, so that's a great sign. I want to see at least like 1 Sol profit on this, and it's currently chilling at an all-time high. From that perspective, I'm not seeing a reason why it couldn't push a bit more, you know, at least to 350k or something. Usually when you're close to a peak, you're gonna see more of a blow off top actually. It's gonna like really quickly go to the peak. It's not gonna hold that peak at all. Okay, some of the top holders are selling actually. If I see one more change in this position right here, I am probably just gonna sell, it looks like. So, oh no, never mind. All right, I'm just gonna put a limit order for another 10% to the upside. We want to automatically sell if it goes up 10%. All right, I'm selling. I would have had a lot bigger profit if I didn't get mev'd. All right, so a pretty huge influencer just shilled this coin right here, Retardio with hat. We are pretty close to a support range, so I'm just gonna ape in 7 sol on this. Oh, $280,000 market cap. We're up 1 sol. Pretty good here. I don't see a reason why it couldn't pump higher unless someone from the top holders starts selling. I'm selling. We're up 3 sol. Oh no. Damn, we were up 3 sol, but we ended up selling for 2 something sol. We're at 60 sol here. Let's see if we can catch another 2 sol right here. Right now, I think I'm just gonna clip 1 sol in a few coins on Pump Fun. I'm gonna do 1, for example, right here. This is Redog. Oh, okay, we're up 0.64 sol on this already. 0.52 right now. Let's see where it goes. I mean, I'm up 30%. I'm just gonna try to find some more cooks like this. Look at this distribution as well. 2.9, 2.9, 2.9. That's like probably a farm. You see what I'm talking about? 29 mil, 29 mil, 29 mil. Sometimes it's better to track what the person is doing publicly instead of what he's doing on his wallet. Should I just sell for 0.5 sol right here? I'm just gonna jeet it for a tiny profit. Yeah, I think it's a good thing we sold, but at the moment it looks like we made a good sell because it's currently lower. It's at 15k market cap. Right, I'm gonna just top blast one last time. We're gonna jeet it. We're gonna hold it as long as the top holders aren't changing too much. Damn, just as I bought it, top holders are starting to sell. If these top holders sell any more, then I'm gonna probably jeet it. Oh damn, we're down 3 sol. So some of the top holders are selling. This is why you don't top blast. We are down 4 sol. It's the raydium dip. I mean, the reason you top blast is because you expect that it's just gonna keep going up. Let's just quickly check if they've even updated the DEX. They haven't paid for the DEX, and I'm aping here with 10 sol. What am I doing? We got absolutely demolished right here. So the developer just sold. We just lost 6.7 sol on this trade. This is just a lesson for me, right? To stop trading when I'm starting to feel more, you know, like I'm gonna take a gamble or something like that. I'm gonna look for a few more trades. All right, boys, it's time to gamble. I mean, at least that's what I'm thinking here. We got some holders that are not selling even though the dev sold. I'm gonna be doing a 7 sol buy right now. All right, we're up 3 sol. I just lost 7 sol or something like that on the last trade. So I feel like, you know, I gotta make a 2x here. Damn, I'm seeing some top holders like selling, I guess. Oh no, I'm seeing that the dev bought in again. We have to sell. The thing about dev buying in is that basically currently there's a meta and it's kind of bearish. It's like if the dev buys, you have to sell, and if the dev sells, you have to buy. And the reason for that is that you can see here, the dev sold and people instantly start to buy. It's because at this point in Pump Fun, the moment that the dev sells, you know what happens? It gets CTO'd. It literally gets just like CTO'd instantly. I mean, not all of the coins, but like a lot of these launches. They instantly, like dev sells and they instantly get CTO'd. Always a coordinated CTO. And people are going to start selling when the dev dumps, right? But it just gives you an entry for the CTO that's about to occur. You know what I'm talking about? What I'm thinking right now actually is... Oh, damn, and it's still dumping. Okay. Of course it's dumping because the dev bought. At this point, there's people that are just selling because the dev buys, like, instantly, which is kind of crazy. Let me see. Did they pay for the DEX? Not paid. Okay. All right, we're selling this. They just deleted the group that they had. That's crazy. They had a CTO group and they just deleted it, meaning that it was a fake CTO. I'm just gonna buy this coin for 6 sol right here. We are at 51 sol. If you guys remember, we actually just were at 60 sol, so today we're down 9 sol in total. We got 2 buys here that we're gonna do. We're gonna do 10 sol buy on Glow right now as it's going up. The reason for that is that, first of all, I know that this is a CTO. I've been looking at it for a while. Only thing is, I didn't want to buy on such a rise to the upside. Like, if we can see it maybe dip down a little bit, I'd be more comfortable with it. Also, we have Blood over here, a coin right here that was, I saw a tracked wallet buy it. And okay, Okay, RTX didn't go through on Glow. All right, one more buy. All right, I'm doing one more gamble right here for 10 Sol. I'm just gonna ape in and do research afterwards. I'm going to quickly check their dex screener because it's at a good, like, the chart looks good. The only thing I don't like might be, do they have anything worthwhile, or is it a CTO, or what's going on with it? So their chat is locked. So okay, we're down 5% currently on Glaze. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on here. I'm gonna ask in my Telegram group chat what's the alpha on this. CTO is on. Ooh, okay, so someone messaged me about a CTO here. I'm just gonna do, let's do 3 Sol buy. So this is the coin where we lost a bunch of money. If we can make it back, that would be amazing. And at the same time, we have Glaze over here sitting at 0.2 Sol profit. I'm just gonna G it. I don't care about this coin whatsoever. Okay, we couldn't even sell for any profit in the end. This one though, no cap right here. Let me see how much we got here. From the 3 Sol buy, we're up like 0.6 Sol at the moment, which is, well, yeah, it's up like 20%. It makes sense. So the only thing that I find weird is, okay, they got the CTO going on. Okay, I respect that, but why do they have such like little amounts of wallets that are aped in? I'm the top holder on this one currently. So is this going to be a real CTO, or is this going to be just a quick, a quick attempt at a CTO. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we're currently up 2x on no cap from this buy that we did, the latest buy. We're still down in total on this coin right here because we thought it's going to be CTO at like 20k. Okay, so they still haven't paid for the dex screener. We're up 2x. I mean, 6 Sol isn't that much at this point. It's not going to do anything if I dump it. Okay, so we're not even 2x anymore. So there's a very clear difference between having a CTO that's just a, just a CTO, someone doing like a coordinated CTO where they don't really pay for anything, they pretend like they're trying to do something with it, and they don't end up actually doing like jack shit with the token. I feel like this might be the case on this. We'll see. Maybe it won't be the case, maybe it will. I'm not sure. Right, I mean, we're up 1.3 Sol. Yeah, I'm just gonna sell it. I don't see a reason for holding this CTO. We have only lost like 0.6 Sol in total. Let me double check. Oh, okay, it makes sense. I aped in 7 Sol on this instead of 10. That's why I didn't lose 7 Sol on this coin actually. So we're currently at 52.6 Sol. So we still had a pretty big loss on it. Right here what happened is I bought in on this coin once again for 1 Sol. So okay, you can see it's a bit of a mess here. I initially bought here and then I sold for a loss. You can see I bought in for $1,000, which was 7.9 Sol, and I sold for 5.22 Sol, which was a 2 Sol loss, pretty much. Then I made 1.3 Sol, and then I made 0.58 Sol right here. We are currently at 53 Sol. I'm gonna keep looking for some more trades, see if we can find something, but most of these plays that I'm doing actually come from specifically from different Telegram groups. I'm not even trading, like scanning, I'm not even scanning because it's just like so unreliable. So instead I'm thinking I'll just ape whenever I see that someone that's backing it that is known by someone else or something like that. You want to be scanning, you're going to be essentially forcing your trades very often. So just gonna go off right now. Let's see if we can find another trade. Right, we're gonna ape some Sol on this coin as well right here. We cannot do a big buy though because people get scared by big buys. So I'm just gonna be very careful here. See if we can run up 6 Sol profit. If we can hit raydium on this. Hope I'm not the top holder on this. Yeah, I'm not. When you're working with bigger balances, if you just like ape 10 Sol on like a 20k market cap shitcoin, it's not going to look too great for everyone else. And the devs might start, thinking that, oh, this guy, we must get this guy out. Better to be a bit more stealthy and to just ape in maximum 4 Sol or something like that. Because right now, you can see nothing's happening. I aped 3 Sol right here. This is my wallet, right? It's not dumping or anything, but previously when I bought in like 7 Sol, it just like instantly started dumping. Oh, wait, hold on. A tracked wallet just bought blood. And as you know, I was looking at blood for a while, so we're gonna ape in 10 Sol as well on blood. Actually 15 Sol because, let's just push this thing. It's pushing all-time high. Currently holding actually 2 different positions. Wow, okay, we got jeeted instantly. We're down 20% right away, right off the bat on blood, which is kind of nuts if you think about it. Oh, GG. Well, the sync cat at least is going up somewhat. It's at 33k market cap right now. So if we look at that position, we can see how much we got there. And let me see the next page. We've got a bunch of positions here that we're just hodling. Basically almost at 2x on sync. We should secure that profit on it. Right, I think it might actually go to raydium And blood is actually going up as well. It's at 147k market cap right now. How is my entry so high? I got anti-mev bot turned on and I've been mev'd. That's crazy. But if I got mev'd, there would have been a spike like this to the upside from the mev bot to like 300k for a 15 sol buy, most likely. It's kind of sketchy. Well, one thing I can tell you guys is that this is jeet market. I'm not looking to hold blood for long. I pressed buy and my entry went here at 160k. So this is the second time today that I'm getting this stuff, you know? We're up 120%. Maybe we should just sell like pretty soon. But I don't also, like if I sell right now, it's gonna like go down to like 30k probably, because that's like a 1k sell in one go. Like normally when something like this pops up, I'm thinking to myself, why should I sell? Because there's a lot of people behind it. A lot of people that I actually know in the space that are holding it. The only reason why I would sell is if there's a jeet market. Now, question is there a jeet market? Well, there definitely is a jeet market. So now we just have to find out, what are the other guys thinking about this coin in specific? Damn, blood is just... Blood doesn't look too good, but the other coin, the Sync Cat, looks pretty good. We're down bad actually on blood. Well, okay, we're not down bad. We're down like 4 sol. Just not sure what we can do here. Like the volume's not there. We can't really... We're helpless pretty much. People are selling it. Like there's nothing we can do. It's just gonna probably go lower and keep going lower, you know? I like to see that blood is going up, but I'm thinking right now, balls deep, we have 14 sol in it, and it's kind of like, it has the volume, you know, like it goes up and then it like kind of like goes down, so it's kind of hard to understand where is it gonna go. Like, is it, I mean, I like the fact that it's chilling at an all-time high. That's definitely a bullish sign, right? And it looks like they have some sort of a volume bot as well here that's operating. In the meantime, Sync. We got Sync at 48k already. Alright, we're at raydium. We just hit raydium on Sync Cat. So what we're gonna do with the Sync Cat is we're gonna check where it goes from this point on. Alright, so it hit raydium and I'm just gonna hold it. Alright, update here. I've seen a few influencers posting like the direct CA of this coin. We are up pretty big here. It's like moving really, really fast. I don't even want to like start selling. Oh my gosh, blood is just getting wrecked. I need to sell blood. It's at 70k market cap. We must sell the blood coin ASAP. In the meantime, we're just checking how the sync is going. Yeah, blood is definitely a tough one. Yeah, oh, that's a 7 sol loss. Sync, on the other hand, what do we have on sync? Well, it's currently at 80k market cap. Alright, I mean, we're up to like, what? Let's see. We have currently 17 sol on this. I mean, to be frank with you, this is a bit of a different play. I wouldn't say that this is like I wouldn't say this is like just like a regular type of a trade as well, because I was talking about this coin in my group chat like well before this happened. Well, like I was talking about it at 30k, 40k, like multiple times. I mentioned it in various different groups. I told people that I'm in the coin, so there was a lot of people who aped in and they were able to, you know, secure a nice profit here. But the thing is that I have made like a soft type of a shill post in my group on this right now, where I basically said that I'm gambling on this. You know, I just posted up the photo of the cat right here. Everyone's free to do what they want. That's just what I did here. Also, some other guys, you know, like Chefin and Bastille, right? These are some other Twitter influencers that have some following. They have also done the same. So I think that this definitely contributes a bit to the reason why it's pushed 150k here. So yeah, right here we just sold it for about 7 sol profit. Basically just made back what we lost on blood. That was a huge loss actually that we took on blood. That was 7 sol loss. So today is just completely hectic, to be frank with you. Complete jeet market. Like I don't even understand what's going on at this point. Like I make 7 sol here, lose 7 sol there. I'm still down 8 sol. So yeah, it is what it is, boys. I don't know what to say. Not looking great. Good thing we made back some money here. Also, we have Chonky right here. It's just not moving. Like, Chonky is not moving whatsoever. So what am I gonna do with Chonky? Well, to be frank with you, I think I'm gonna sell it because it's just like not moving. What type of a 2x is that gonna be in 3 months? Like, I rather do a DCA on my long-term holding wallet on Chonky right here instead of my challenge wallet. So I need more sol here to play with for sure. So I'm gonna sell Chonky. I mean, it's just breaking lows, so I'm just gonna sell it right here. If you made it this far in the episode, we are in total down 8 sol for the day, so it's absolutely not looking great here. complete jeet market. Like, imagine there's several people calling a coin and it goes only to 150k or something like that. Like, what a day, isn't it? That's absolutely crazy. In my eyes, that's just like the pinnacle of jeet market. So yeah, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna see you on the next video.